Welcome to Danny and the boys.
No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that.
We're here at Moab at Wall Street, and I feel like I'm so official right now, but you know what's great about vlogs is when you make them awkward, that's when they're interesting.
These walls are so big they'll make your head.
Right now, Caleb. Hello, folks. Hi.
Hi. Welcome to Wall Street.
Welcome to Wall Street.
Again.
Cue montage. So you just been climbing the walls here.
Ooh, you almost fell.
Hey guys, we're back. Drew's climbing this wall, and I'm drinking my coffee. Pretty nice. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Bye. Yeah, Caleb, get it. There was snow here. It's been pretty fun. Caleb's gonna work on this little, it's a 5'10", got a 5'9" going. Simple, great stuff. Bye.
So much easier indoor.
I'm something. This is a commercial for hand lotion. Put it on your hands, smear around. Next thing you know, you have white hands.
Nothing like Equate Beauty. Moisture Cocoa Butter Care Lotion.
Get it at your local Walmart today.
Yeehaw.
We're gonna climb this wall right here. We're gonna go up it, and we're gonna get to the top. We're gonna clip in. We're gonna look at the view.
Except
say,
it's not
wow,
gonna be on this wall. It's
that's
gonna
pretty
be on
neat. And then we're gonna wrap back down to the floor.
manual guys, right? Sorry if I'm keeping you. Are you gonna do it, Danny?
Just down the road, maybe. It now is a video.
What's up? Alright. I hope I'm putting this on right.
That should be enough. This is yours.
I am putting it on right.
Hopefully.
Hope.
That snow is so pretty.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. We're still climbing here at the rock. Somewhat behind the rock. It's getting colder. Still pretty out there though. Anyway, I just want to give you a little update, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.